Hey y'all, welcome back to Jack's Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. In today's video, hot dog fried rice on your plow disc. Let's get going. All right, to start this off, we're gonna need to chop us up a few vegetables using my Dow Strong knife. This is the brand new knife I just got in. It's the Quantum series. Beautiful knife, Santoku. We'll start off with this bell pepper here. Next up, an onion. Next up, it's time to slice up these hot dogs, and I only use Nathan's. Use your favorite hot dog. We'll try 3. We might go with 2. Let's see what we come up with. Back us up here. And I just like to cut these into little rounds like this. All right, now that we got all these vegetables and hot dogs chopped up, let's get our disc hot and we'll get to cooking. Our disc is nice and heated up. Let's add us a little oil. Add 1 bell pepper. Add 1 onion. Now add your hot dogs. So we're going to saute this up until our vegetables get a little translucent. Vegetables are tender, add in a teaspoon of minced garlic. Just saute that for about 30 seconds. So it's been about 30 seconds. Let's move our vegetables and our hot dog off on the sides of this disco here, or this plow disc. We're just gonna move everything back, create us a little well here. Add you 2 eggs. Don't matter if they bust, that's what we want. All right, let's mix it all together. Add you about 2 cups of rice. It's about 2 cups. And that's day-old rice. Now we're gonna go in with some red pepper flakes. A little bit of sugar. Just a light dusting. Now go in with some soy sauce. Stir it all together. Now to pull all this together, hit it with a little green onion. All right, let's give it a taste. I already know it's gonna be good because I cook this all the time. Oh yeah. Flavor Town, man. All right, guys, if you guys know me and have watched my videos over the years, you know I love my discs. I get them from Southwest Disc. If you're interested in one of these discs, they have all different sizes. You can get one at a discount using the code JACKS10. I'll leave the link and the code below. Also, if you're interested in any of those knives that I've been using that's made by Dow Strong, I'll leave a link below to them. All right, guys, hot dog fried rice on your plow disc. Do it.